Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team. It's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful for all the people that are giving themselves permission to do this 7-day Go Pro challenge. So I have invited so many people, everybody on my team. If you didn't get the information, I want to encourage you to check your email, check the spam, it might go there. And people that are not on my team, because I want to see people succeed. Networking is such a simple system. You use a product, you invite people, you see who wants to get paid or who wants to be a customer or a client. And guys, it's really that simple. How can people earn $1 million and more? Is because of the power of leverage. A lot of people doing a little. You see, you already use leverage in your life, but it's to pay your bills and it's for your insurance and things like that, where you can earn a profit from a lot of people doing a little. So I'm so grateful that I have multiple income streams and just keeping it super simple. So I want to invite you to join my Fire Your Boss Club. It's super simple. You can start for $10. So there are over 100,000 people in this group. And imagine what happens when people get focused, when they have focused their attention and energy in one place. And that is for them to succeed and to stay focused during the 7-day challenge. And so it's definitely going to be a challenge, but just make up in your mind that you can succeed. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. So let's get out of our comfort zone for these 7 days and make a difference in your life, in the lives of others. So we are committed to either 100, 250, or 1,000 highs before Wednesday. So let's all do what we said we do and commit to helping people. So keep it super simple and let's focus for this 7-day period and change your life. Take the limits off your thinking. With God, all things are possible. We don't have to know how it's going to work out. We just have to take that step of faith. So let's walk by faith and change your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. God bless you. My number is 618-223-6006. And if you haven't joined my team yet, go to totallyfree.biz. Let's change your life with a super simple system. God bless.